Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There were quite a few people waiting behind for the awards right now. Thanks for Yashas for making the movement light. I was really worried for all the serious policy changes and other stuff. So just to give you an idea that quite a few people might not be aware what SPL was all about. So just to give you an idea that we divided all the participants. There were around 36% of the total employee strength of Sterling Commerce who participated in SPL. So we divided them into 8 teams based on departments. So as you can see from human resources, ITA, platform, QA, and consulting. So we have teams from all the departments over here. So without wasting any further time, we'll be proceeding with the award ceremony. So I would like to, first of all, I would like to thank the HR department and the finance department for providing all the support and the finances for organizing the event. And I would like to invite Chaks on the dais so that we can proceed with the awards. So to start with the proceeding, the most important award, we would like to thank the facilities team, Venkatesh Murthy and Bala, if you can come up on the stage, for extending all the support and easing our task. So they get the replica of a Leaning Tower of Pisa for all the support. So next we'll start with the Man of the Match award. So we'll be starting in the reverse chronological order, in fact, from day 1. So the first match was between Old Monks and Knight Riders, and the winner is Nimit Chauhan for his 23 runs and 3 wickets. Next, the second match between Sterling Spartans and Royal Rapids. Krishna Chaitanya for 18 runs and 1 wicket. Next, the third match between Sterling Strikers and Born to Battle. The winner is Satyendra Pal for 9 runs and 2 wickets. Critical contribution. Next we have Heaven 11 and Warehouse Jockeys, and for making 33 runs and taking 3 wickets, and for being an organizer, the award goes to myself, Rohit Vedi. So next award on day 2 between Warehouse Jockeys and Royal Rapid, the award goes to Yaduvesh Sharma for 10 runs and 1 wicket. Yaduvesh. Apparently this was the only tie match and the result was decided based on bowl out. So he took the crucial wicket. The next match is between Heaven 11 and Sterling Spartan, and the winner is Vikas Patel for 43 runs and 1 wicket. He made critical 43 runs off 16 balls. Next is Knight Riders versus Born to Battle, and the winner is Sarvesh Jain for 19 runs and 2 wickets. Next we have the last match on day 2. It's Old Monk versus Sterling Strikers. It's a rain disrupted match, so no man of the match for that award. On day 3 we have Warehouse Jockeys versus Sterling Spartan, And the winner for making 38 runs, since Warehouse Jockeys won by only 4 runs, and also being one of the organizers, Ashwin Vadakancheri.
From the top to the bottom, the top of the step, the core, I'm dying in the middle of my thoughts. Take it off when I say me, pictures there, don't let me wanna see me. Why should I care? From the top to the bottom, the top of the step, the core, I'm dying in the middle of my thoughts. Take it off when I say me.
The next match was between Sterling Strikers and Knight Riders. Sterling Strikers won by 10 wickets. And because of one of the great innings, one of the best innings of the tournament by Ashok Chaudhary, 72 runs of 38 balls. The next match was between Heaven 11 and Royal Rapids. Royal Rapids won by 8 wickets. And man of the match goes for making 35 runs of 25 balls and taking spectacular catches, Anand Dalkar.
This going down.
He's taken some amazing catches from tennis ball, so not to undermine his effort, but that just goes to show that he is afraid of leather ball. And next we have is semi-finals. So the first semi-final, Warehouse Jockeys and Old Monks. The winner is Ashwin Vadakancheri for making 63 runs. Then the second semi-final, Sterling Strikers versus Royal Rapid. 31 runs of 17 balls and 2 wickets, Akhil Pawar. Last but not the least, the finals. Warehouse Jockeys versus Sterling Strikers. Sterling Strikers won by 5 wickets. Ashok Chaudhary for his 35 runs and 1 wicket. This match was really very close. And I would like to invite Steve for giving the remaining awards. Steve, if you can do us the honor. Next we have is the Best Fielder Award. Again for taking spectacular catches and international level wicket keeping, Anand Dalkar. Next we have is most successful bowler. We have quite a few people taking lots of wicket. Raghavind Bhatt taking 8, Madhusudan Yerida taking 8, Jaswinder Singh 9. But the winner is Akhil Pawar for taking 13 wickets. Next we have is the award for most successful batsman. We have quite a few people over here. Rohit Dwivedi for making 115 runs, Ashwin for 158, Ashok Chaudhary for 135. But Ashok Chaudhary for making 135 and the biggest knock of the tournament and for an average of 45. Ashok Chaudhary, the most successful batsman. Next we have is the award for hitting most number of sixes. It's a tie. It's a tie between two players because they knew how long the boundaries were because they were the organizers, Ashwin Vadakancheri and Rohit. Next we have is a different concept called Most Valuable Award. We gave 1 point for each run and 10 points for taking each wicket. And this was applicable only for league matches. And for making 151 points, I beg your pardon, Krishna Chaitanya.
This going down.
Next we have is the Man of the Series award. There were two nominees, Ashok Chaudhary and Ashwin Vadakancheri, and it was decided by voting from the captains of the SPL teams. So the winner is Ashwin Vadakancheri. Next award is a team award for playing fair. This is called the Fair Play Award. All the other captains have voted for this team and they played really fair. So the winner is Knight Riders. Can we have any representative from Knight Riders? Any representative from Knight Riders? Can anybody come from Knight Riders? Thank you. Thank you very much for coming. Captain was Ankan Singhvi, since Ankan Singh is not there. Now we have the runners-up medals. And as obvious, the runners-up medals goes to warehouse jockeys. May I invite the captain of warehouse jockeys, Ashwin Vadakancheri, to collect all the awards. Next we have is the winner's trophy. This is a rolling shield. This will be going on all the version of SPL. Pardon me for declaring that we will be having different versions of Sterling Premier League. So may I invite Akhil Pawar, the winning captain of Sterling Strikers, to please come and collect the shield. And the rest of the team, they can come and collect the medals as well. Congratulations. In the end, I would like to introduce you to our team, who was the thinking brain behind all this, all the event, and taking all the time of all your resources and putting them into all the weekends and playing the matches. Ashwin Vadakancheri, Bhaskar Shivramaya, and Vaibhav Durve. Can you please stand up? Team SPL. Last but not the least, we would like to thank all the participants for making this event a big success. We have a small montage for you, so sit back and enjoy.
I'll tell you, one thing I learned about this SPL is we have great talent over here. And Rohit and team, what a wonderful job of organizing. Thank you.